What up YouTube? Crypto Fiend here with everything crypto, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the decentralized web. If you guys don't know what Substratum is, well, you're about to find out, because Substratum is hands down one of the best projects on the blockchain. So for today's video, we're going to be going over what Substratum is, how it works, its price movement, and my personal view going into 2018. So what is Substratum? Substratum is an open source network that allows anyone to allocate spare computing resources to make the internet a free and fair place for the entire world. So Substratum is trying to decentralize the web. Now, I know that sounds like a very ambitious goal, but they already have incredible progress coming along, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. But also, what's the difference between centralized web and decentralized web? Well, the main differences are that centralized web means that your government is regulating your usage and what you view on the internet. With a decentralized web, that means you can view, access anything you want, and no one can tell you what to do about it. So the benefits for having a decentralized web, a great example would be China right now. China has incredible regulations on their web. For example, they cannot purchase cryptocurrencies right now. Their government completely banned cryptocurrencies access. Also, they cannot view YouTube, so that means they can't even view this video right now. They can't view Facebook, Yahoo, Google, and all those great websites. So when Substratum comes into play, China, for example, would be able to access all those websites and much, much more. So how this all works is, if we go down here, for every network, there's a host and there's a receiver. So how it works is anyone can host a website application using Substratum, and you get paid for doing it. So you actually use the Substratum software and you host websites for other people around the world. And in doing this, you earn Substratum tokens. So you get paid for helping people, doing a good deed, and you get paid for also just helping people out, which is pretty awesome. On the other end of things, when you are using the network, you can access any web browser you want, and there's no censorship, which is a huge, huge benefit. If we go down here, it shows a couple other features that Substratum offers. They have crypto pay, so you get paid through Substratum tokens directly through the system, as well as they have the one-click miner, so it's very easy to assemble and access. It's not complicated. You don't have to download 10 different things. It's one click, you're ready to go. Also, artificial intelligence. This is talking about making the network very fast, so it's not going to be a network that takes 10 minutes to load a web page, whether it's YouTube or whatever. It's going to be very fast, like your every day-to-day network that you're using now, as well as it's going to be very secure, because when you have a host to a receiver, that network in between, you don't want it to be able to be breached. So they're making so that it's cryptography, it's very secure and ready to use. So that is pretty much Substratum summed up. To sum it up again in my own words, it's a decentralized web. They want to make it so that you can access anything you want and no one can do anything about it. Whether it's a government or the president of the United States, no one can control the network, which is completely world changing and is going to have great benefits in the future, especially coming into 2018. Now, coming into 2018, we are rounding near the $1 trillion market cap for cryptocurrencies. Right now, we're doing about $100 billion every 2 days, which is pretty incredible. Well, for the past 2 days, we hit about $92 billion since we passed $500 billion. But when we come near the $1 trillion market cap, we're gonna really start seeing governments step in and trying to regulate cryptocurrencies, whether it's banning cryptocurrencies as a whole or really regulating, whether it depends on the specific websites you can use or the taxing of cryptocurrencies. We're going to really start seeing regulations, and that how they're going to do that is they're going to be able to do that directly through the internet access. So when Substratum comes along, that's going to be completely game changing, because you can actually use the Substratum network to access cryptocurrencies, especially for those people in China that can't access them at all right now. When Substratum comes along, they'll be able to access cryptocurrencies and do as they please with it. So that's why I think Substratum is going to have a huge benefit coming into 2018, is because we will start to get regulations on cryptocurrencies, and cryptocurrencies will start to be not decentralized. It will start to become centralized. And when Substratum comes around, that will help keep us all being decentralized in the crypto world. So Substratum is sitting around the 62 cent range right now, in the 89th spot on the market cap. Going into 2018, you can definitely begin to see this increase due to Substratum having a successful Alpha 1 test. So Substratum tested their network, and they confirmed that it's working, it's ready to go. They are having a Alpha 2 test coming up, and the beta will most likely begin the beginning months of 2018 is when you could see a beta for Substratum. Coming into 2018, I could definitely see Substratum moving up in the market cap positions, and as well as evaluation, because people are really beginning to realize that Substratum is an incredible project. They are really trying to change the game, and they have progress coming along. They're ahead of schedule, and this is just baby movements right now. I don't want to put a price evaluation on Substratum because it's such a great project, if not one of the best projects on the blockchain, that it doesn't deserve an evaluation. And who knows what it could be in a year, especially if everyone has to start using the Substratum network due to centralization of the blockchain. Substratum could be absolutely huge. As of right now, for the price movement, sitting around the 59-60 cent range. Would I get in right now? No. I would try to wait a couple days. As you can see, we had this run up due to the alpha testing being announced, that it was successful and all that stuff. And also people are starting to realize that this is a great project coming along. So I would try to wait a couple days, see if all this goes down, try to buy into the red, because right now we are starting to get into the green. See if you can get in the red. If not, if you are a long-term holder, just get in on this and hold it for the long term, because in the long term, no matter if you buy it at 60 cents or 40 cents, you're going to be paid off in the long run. So that is my view on the current price. If you're trying to day trade this, this is definitely not the price you want to get in on, because I don't see it going up anymore from here, but it could, because who knows, in the cryptocurrency world, everything is completely crazy and volatile. So that is my view on the price, and as well as going into 2018, I see great things for Substratum. I just see the price going up from here. We definitely do need a pullback right now for healthy growth, but Substratum is a completely awesome project, and I highly suggest you guys research more into it. Don't just go and invest into it just because you saw this video. Do some more research on it and figure out if it's a good investment for you. Personally, for me, I think it's a great investment because I am in the United States and I can see net neutrality coming along within the next year or so, and Substratum will be here to save the day. Also, before I end the video, I want to shout out After School Hustle. This guy brings out quality content every single day for all you cryptocurrency investors. So consider going to check out his channel, and I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. But that is going to be the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing to one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency communities on YouTube. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Deuces!